Hey, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening our Allure beauty box for December 2018. If you did not know, this box is $15 a month. You get full and travel size products valued at $50 to $90. And then new members always get a beauty bonus, as they call it. So whenever you sign up, you also get an additional extra item in your first box. And there's always a code to get like $5 off your first box, so then it ends up being like 10 bucks. So be on the lookout for those. I maybe can find one and put it down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So when you open it up, it looks like this. This month it has NikkieTutorials on it. She's a YouTuber who I'm sure you've heard of if you're watching this. She does makeup tutorials, so yeah. And then inside it'll have the values of everything full size, so it'll tell us the full size value. And I will always put the travel size value down below, the total value of the box, and whether things are cruelty free or not if I don't know at the time of filming. So right here I'm seeing this card on top. It says new look, and it's got these little like red clear bags, sort of like the Sephora Play bags. And then on the back it says, starting in January, you'll discover our makeover of the Allure beauty box, including a collectible limited edition pouch to reuse or share. Sneak peek on the flip side, so that. What could be better than that? 6 amazing pics plus a bonus gift inside your shiny new pouch. Scratch off to reveal the two of the products you'll receive. Let's do that. It's got this like gold thing to scratch. See it? I'll be receiving a Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil and a Sunday Riley A+ Retinoid Serum. All right, interesting. I guess we'll wait and see what those look like next month. But I do like that they kind of like warned you about it instead of Sephora Play, and they're like, here's your ugly new bag. But anyways, let's see. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is from Ren Clean Skincare. It is Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. Oh, cruelty free. So it's just a little tiny. It says at night, melt balm with fingertips and gently massage onto clean, dry skin until absorbed. So it's for sensitive skin. It's just like a nighttime moisturizer, I want to say. It smells nice and clean. It kind of has like the consistency of Vaseline, almost, like just a little thinner, so it's not going to feel super, super heavy on your face. Yeah, excited to try that out. I always like trying new night creams. So there we go. First item. Let's see what the full size is valued at. The full size is valued at $48, so pretty pricey skincare. All right, the next thing I am pulling out, oh my God, this is like the tiniest thing I've ever seen. This is a Neutrogena makeup removing wipe. It's one. It's just one. Probably just give this to someone since Neutrogena is not cruelty free, and wow, one wipe. Interesting. Okay. Those are valued. I don't even know if they're going to be in here, but they're like $5, I want to say. Like a pack of 20 or something. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is from NYX. This is the Lip Lingerie, number 24. NYX is cruelty free. I don't think I have this color. I like these because they feel really nice on your lips. They feel like almost nothing is there. They're pretty nice to wear. I'm not going to say they're like super long lasting because you will have to touch up a couple times, but for a drugstore, it's not bad. All right, finally got that open. That was packaged pretty good. It's just got like the typical doe foot applicator right there. Nothing fancy. I don't know why my camera wants to focus on my thumb. Okay. So there's the color. It's like a mauve sort of color, almost like a deep mauve. I like the color. Something I would definitely wear. Oh, there's the color name. It said number 24, and I didn't see next to it. It says Cabaret Show. So that's the color, Cabaret Show. And the NYX is valued at $6.99. All right, the next thing I have is a highlighter. Oh, so this is from Ofra, which I'm pretty sure is cruelty free. This is the, Ofra by NikkieTutorials Everglow highlighter. don't think this is full-sized. I could be wrong. It just doesn't feel heavy enough, but it's like a there's like 3 different colors in there. Feels really, really creamy. So there they are. I'm not sure if the light is gonna let you see them, but they are super, super pigmented. Like if you look at my hands right there, they're pretty pigmented. I don't know if any of these colors are really for me. Maybe this one right here. Not the white, maybe white for the brow bone. That copper one's definitely too dark for me, but I do like that there's multiple options in one highlighting compact, so that's cool. The full size is valued at $35, so a little bit expensive. I really don't think this is full size though. It looks like it, but it feels so light, and the pan is like pretty small. I have one more thing. So this is the Nubian. It's a palette by Juvia's Place. I've never tried anything from them, but I've heard really, really, really good things about them. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really cute, and it's just got some nude colors in there. It is cruelty free. So these are 6 of the shades from the real palette. And the palette is valued at $20. That might be for the regular one. I'm not entirely sure. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple of these. They feel really nice and creamy. Whoa, that last shade I swatched. So there's just a couple of them. There's like 4 of them on my hand right there. Pretty pigmented, so. And those colors are totally right up my alley, so really excited to try this. I've always wanted to try a palette from them, so now I got a baby one to play around with to see if I like it. That's everything for this box. It was very makeup heavy for an Allure beauty box. A lot of times we get a lot of skincare, but I have 3 makeup items, 1 skincare item, and then I don't even know what this is, 1 makeup wipe. I think the value is definitely there considering these brands are pretty high end. And well, minus the NYX. I mean, the NYX is pretty basic, but still for $15, I can't even be mad about it. I mean, I would pay $15 for this tiny little palette. So got everything else basically for free. Yeah, so that's all I have for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more just sleepy dogs back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.